belly to open. So we're going to be very careful not to cut the kayak. Some of the things that we considered when picking out this kayak were how much weight it held. A lot of the other two-person kayaks only held about half the amount that this one does. This one holds 400 pounds, up to 400. And another one that we considered is the color. This one is yellow, so God forbid something happens, you know, we get lost, will be easy to spot. A lot of the others were like blue or green. So, let's see. Whoa. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, so it comes in a nice duffel bag. That's cool. We can use it to carry it around with us. This area behind us is right behind our house. It used to just be a giant field, but they recently excavated it.
Let's go do that island over there.
Yeah, we will. We'll try. Let's test it out. So, we decided to get this kayak, and for that purpose, this is actually a really good kayak because it's always calm. If you're trying to like do some whitewater rafting, kayaking, I wouldn't consider buying this one. Although I think some people do use it for that, but this is not for that purpose. Okay, so looks like these are seats. Got 2 seats. There is an air pump. 2 paddles. And the kayak itself, which is folded up pretty nicely. Okay, so I've blown up the kayak. There are 3 chambers and they are numbered. So I blew up the bottom one first, number 2, this one, number 3, that one, and then there's just these 2 little chambers up front here. And it comes with 2 seats. However, I am just going to use one for today. I'm going to have my son, my 5-year-old, sit on my lap. And the way this is attached is there's Velcro on the bottom. There's the way that it attaches there. I'm going to place it more so in the center. And then it has these straps that you can use to secure it in place. The directional fin, that just attaches to the bottom of the kayak. It slides into place in a bracket. So I'll show that to you. Slides in like this, but we'll do that right before we go in the water. And Okay, so we just finished our little first time kayaking experiment. And what did you think? Did you like it?
Yes.
How would you rate it? A plus? Check mark? Or X?
Check mark.
Check mark. So we both give it a thumbs up. Another thing was it was really easy to break down. The two chambers on the side, they are, you just like unscrew them and all the air comes out real quick. So we broke it down and put it in its bag and put it back in the wagon and walked home, and we're really happy with this purchase. So we hope this helped you out in your decision. If you want to buy that kayak, we highly recommend it. Right?
Wait.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.